Hi, today I am going to talk about lifestyles in Colombia. A recent study revealed that this indicator increased on average 6 years in Colombia. Women live on average 79 years and men 72 years. In Colombia, breakfast is served from tamal to changua, passing through bread. The most consumed food at this time of day, however, is bread, usually accompanied by almost universal coffee and commonly sweetened with vanilla. For lunch, they eat rice and it is accompanied with other carbohydrates, among which is the popular potato or yuca and another fast pasta. For sport and exercise more regularly 10 days a month compared to 7.6 of women. They in turn show little inclination to perform physical activity as a team and concerned with having the ideal weight, although this aesthetic interest decreases the higher the educational level, with an average of 2.320 annual hours worked per employee. Colombia will be in the first place, which means that it works 15 hours more than the average of the OECD countries, which is 1.716 hours. Thank you so much. Bye.